Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're using the CRAMER'S rule to solve simultaneous equations. So CRAMER'S rule is a method of solving simultaneous equation using determinants. So first question says, solve the following system of equation using CRAMER'S rule. 2x minus y equal to 5, x plus y equal to 4. So solution, we have 2x minus y is equal to 5, and we have x minus x plus y is equal to 4. Now what we are going to do now is that we are going to put the coefficients of the variables into a determinant. So let's call the determinant delta. So delta is equal to, now let's pick the coefficient of x in the first equation. Okay, we call this equation 1 and we call this equation 2. Now we are going to pick the coefficient of x in equation 1, which is 2. We pick the coefficient of x in equation 2, which is 1. And coefficient of y in equation 1, we have minus 1. And coefficient of y in equation 2, we have 1. So delta is the determinant of the coefficients of the variables x and y. So now let's find the determinants. So delta is equal to, now in solving a 2 by 2 determinant, to get the determinant, you are going to multiply the diagonal. These two, we multiply these two and this one. So we have 2 times 1 minus, we now multiply this one times this one. So we have minus 1 times 1. So this is going to give us 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. So we have 2 plus 1, which is 3. So delta is 3. Now we are going to find delta x. So delta x is just us replacing the values of x with the constants, that is these right hand values. We replace the values of x with these right hand values. So that is what we are going to do in delta x. So delta x, we have determinants of 5 and 4. So we have 5 and 4. And we put the values of y, minus 1 and 1. So we find delta x. Delta x is 5 times 1. So we have 5 times 1 minus 4 times minus 1. So we have 4 times minus 1. So this is going to give us 5 minus 4. So we have 5 minus 4 is 5 plus 4, which is 9. So our delta x is 9. Now we find delta y. Delta y is just us replacing the values of y here with these values. So that's delta y. So we have delta y is equal to 2, 1, 5, and 4. So delta y is equal to, so now we are going to multiply 2 and 4 to find determinant. So 2 times 4 minus 5 times 1. 1 times 5. So 1 times 5. So we have 2 times 4 is 8 minus 1 times 5 is 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So our delta y is 3. Now, for us to find the value of x and the values of y, we are to find the value of x. So delta x over delta is going to give us x, because delta will cancel delta to give x. And also delta y over delta is going to give us y. So we go back, we look for the value of delta x and delta. Delta is 3, delta x is 9, and delta y is 3. So x is equal to delta x, which is 9, over delta, which is 3. And that is going to give us 3. Y is delta y, which is 3, over delta, which is 3. And that is going to give us 1. So therefore x is 3 and y is 1.